Some of my friends label me as a loner. And the fact is, I have a very high sense of expectation for myself. My family live nearby, but it's still a choice that I prefer living alone. Hence, I chose to turn this 700 square feet studio into my refuge.
In most of our previous episodes, we have been receiving tons of encouraging comments from all our supportive viewers, in which some have requested for us to feature a project of a smaller scale. My name is Alex Lee, and today's episode on Design Seat, we will be sharing a fellow subscriber's 700 square feet studio apartment, which he has inspired to design his own after watching our channel. If you're not subscribed to us yet, please subscribe to us now and click on the notification bell.
I always wanted my own home, a home that is accustomed to my lifestyle. I don't need it to be big, I just need my sanctuary to be relevant and comfortable. I always enjoyed darker tonalities. It makes me feel relaxed. I am a music composer, and due to the nature of my profession, I spend most of my time at work. So when I return home, I really need to unwind. The thought of staying with others, adapting to each other's lifestyle, to me, I would choose otherwise. I sleep when I want to, I eat when I want to, and I work at any spot of the house anytime I want.
We have been there. I can't believe what God has done.
The initial layout was directed to have 3 clear spaces: the sleeping area, the living, and kitchen. The current layout plan was redirected to be able to fit 7 spaces functionally. The entrance foyer, a kitchen island which also functions as a dining table, the kitchen area, a living hall, a study table, a walk-in closet space, and lastly, the sleeping area.
Some time ago, I came across this channel, Design Seat, and I was intrigued of the fact about crafting a home that is accustomed to one's lifestyle. I adapted some ideas of maximizing the floor plans and optimizing every corner of the home into a functional and usable space. I had an 80,000 budget in mind, and due to the size of the studio, I figured it was sufficient.
The shoe cabinet divider creates a sense of privacy to the unit as you enter. The entire TV wall carpentry spans across the entire wall, which parks the study table seamlessly adjacent aligned with the TV wall. This creates a larger illusion to the studio as the entire space feels larger in perspective, although it is subtly divided for two functions. The sleeping area is placed directly beside the built-in wardrobe, which faces the back of the sofa. This creates a private corridor that gives a comfortable footpath and division for the wardrobe area. Because the unit isn't large, an interestingly designed bathroom is located right at the end of the corridor.
I love the idea of bringing the basin out from the toilet. And I like to take my time freshening up in the morning, and the problem with all these studio apartments is how everything is cramped inside the toilet. I am a rather thorough person. Throughout this compact shell of carpentry works lies quite a number of functional mechanisms and hardware that improves the functionality and convenience of my daily lifestyle.
As you can see, the essentials of a kitchen and wardrobe design are broader than just drawers and shelves. Understanding your daily usage and sharing that practice with your designer or specialist would be the answer to crafting the right and best fitting which would suit every individual. Shortlisting the right builders to execute what the client had in mind was a deal breaker. Someone that could understand his needs and still be able to meet his budget, which came up to only 80,000 in total. This episode is a collaboration with Oppein. Oppein is a kitchen and wardrobe specialist with over 27 years of establishment. The company emphasizes on workmanship and has a large variety of finishes to choose from. To learn more about Oppein and watch more up-close details and tips about kitchen and wardrobe design, click on that subscribe button and stay tuned to our upcoming top kitchen design episode. My name is Alex Lee and I am from Design Seek. Thank you for watching.
Less than 1 minute. Oh, I never told true love would be making one as lovely as she. Isn't she lovely?